Now I'm going to solve this inverse Laplace transformation problem, L inverse of s by s plus 2 into s plus 3. Obviously here we are going to use partial fraction only, it will be easy, okay. Using partial fraction is very easy here. So first you have to do the partial fraction for the given term, okay. L inverse of s by s plus 2 into s plus 3. So for this one, first you have to do the partial fraction. So s by this one I wrote here, and then the denominator we are having simple linear factors, okay. So for that one you have to use only constant. So a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 3, okay. And then now you just take LCM, it will be what? S plus 2 into s plus 3. And then in the numerator what you are going to have? You just to do simple cross multiplication, that's all, okay. So this will be a into s plus 3, this one, okay. A into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2, that's all, okay. In the left hand side you are going to have the same s by s plus 2 into s plus 3, okay. Now from this equation you can get what? You can get this equation, that is from the numerator you can get this one, s equal to a into s plus 3 plus b into s plus 2, okay. Now we are going to find this unknowns, that is a and b, by putting various values for this s, okay. Here by seeing this factors you can decide the number. Here we are having what? S plus 3. So you just simply replace this s by minus 3, okay. Then you will get one number, that is one constant, okay. You can find. And by this term s plus 2 you are having now, so you just put simply minus 2 here, okay. Then only you will get 0 here, easily you can find the other constant, okay. So first put s equal to minus 3, okay. In the left hand side what I am having? S. So I just put minus 3 there, okay. And then a into, here you should replace this s by what? Minus 3, okay. What we are doing, why we are doing this one? We just to get 0, that's all, okay. When you are getting 0, this term will be vanished now, so easily you can find the other constant. So here it will be what? B into minus 3 plus 2. So this will be what? Minus 3 is equal to, this will be 0, and here it will be b into minus 1. Therefore b is equal to what? It is 3, okay. And then one more constant we need to find. What it is? This one, right? Here this one, in this equation we are going to use values, okay. So put s equal to, already we used minus 3, so now we put minus 2 because of this term, okay. If you are putting minus 2, what will happen? Here it is minus, yes, so it should be minus 2, and then here it will be a into minus 2 plus 3 plus, here it will be b into minus 2 plus 2, okay. And now what will happen? This term only you will get, this term will be vanished, okay. Because of this one you will get 0, 0 and anything will be 0, so this term will be 0 entirely, okay. So this is now a into 1 and this will be minus 2. So a equal to what? A is equal to minus 2, okay. Now we found the constants, okay. Here we are going to substitute those things, okay, that's all. And then simply we are going to do inverse partial fraction, that's all, okay. So here it will be what now? The term s by, what we had? S by s plus 2 into s plus 3 has been written as, what is the b? A value, it is minus 2 divided by s plus 2, okay. And then what is the b value? It is 3 divided by s plus 3, that's all, okay. We just simply put value here, okay. A value and then b value, I just put a b values there, that's all, okay. So a by this value and b by s plus 3, that's all. Now what do you have to do? We have to apply inverse transformation, that is only the problem, no. So L inverse of s by s plus 2 into s plus 3 will be what now? This is equal to L inverse of minus 2 by s plus 2 plus 3 by s plus 3, okay. And then now what I have to do? Linear property, that's all, okay. Just use the linear property, you can split this one and also you can take the constant outside, okay. So this will be minus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 plus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. Now you see this term s plus a form, okay. S plus a means, what is that? Exponential function only we are going to use here, okay. So this will be minus 2 into e power, because of this plus in original function you are going to have minus In the place of a we are having 2, so e power minus 2t, that's all, okay, plus 3 into, here will be e power minus 3t, that's all, this is only the answer. We'll solve one more problem. Find L inverse of 3s plus 2 by s square minus s minus 2. Okay, you see the denominator. This is a quadratic equation, right? First thing I have to see whether it is factorizable or not. Okay, is it factorizable? Of course, you just check that. This is minus 2, no? How you are going to get minus 1 from this 2? When you are multiplying, you should get minus 2. When you are adding this 2, you should get what? Minus 1, okay? You just check, is it possible? If you are using 1 and 2, what will happen? You will get only plus 2, no? So you just add minus here. You cannot get, actually you can get minus, but you cannot get minus 1 here when you are adding this 2, okay? So here it should be plus and this should be minus, then only you can get this term. When you are multiplying this 2, you will get minus 2, when you are adding this 2, you will get minus 1, okay? So these are the factors, that is s plus 1 into s minus 2. These are the factors, okay? So s square minus 2s and plus s will be minus s and this will be minus 2. You got the original function, okay? Now we just factorized this quadratic forms into this form, okay? This just factorized, we factorized this as s plus 1 into s minus 2, that's all, okay? Now we got a linear factors, okay? So simply using constant itself is enough, okay? S a by s plus 1 plus b by s minus 2, that is 3s plus 2 by s plus 1 into s minus 2 is written like this, okay? Now we have to do, just take LCM, s plus 1 into s minus 2, then a into s minus 2 plus b into s plus 1, 3s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 into s minus 2, okay? Now from this one, from the above equation again get this one, 3s plus 2 is equal to a into s minus 2 plus b into s plus 1. Now by putting various values you can get the constant. Here that is going to be minus, because of this s minus 2 you can put 2 here, and because of this term you can put minus 1 here, okay? Put s equal to 2, it will be what? 3 into 2 will be 6 plus 2 is equal to a into 2 minus 2 plus b into 2 plus 1. So now this will be 8 is equal to, this will be 0 and this will be what? 0 plus 3b, therefore b is going to be 8 by 3. Okay, in the same way I have to get a value. So what is going to be? Put s equal to minus 1, okay? S equal to minus 1 we need to put. So this will be what? Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Now this will be 0, so minus 3a and this is going to be minus 1, okay? Now the value of a is what? A is equal to 1 by 3, that's all, okay? Now what are you going to do? We just found the values of AB, okay? Using this one we have to go further, okay? That means we are going to use inverse concept, that's all, okay? So here will be what? 3s plus 2 by s plus 1 into s minus 2 is going to be written as a is what? 1 by 3 divided by s plus 1, okay? And then what is b here? 8 by 3 divided by s minus 2, that's all, okay? Now you apply partial inverse Laplace transformation. After partial fraction you have to do inverse Laplace transformation, that's all. S plus 1 into s minus 2. Now using inverse, after using inverse Laplace transformation you have to use linear property of Laplace transformation, that's all, okay? Using that one, what you can do, you can easily take the constant outside and you can split it. That is 1 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, okay? And then here the constant is 8 by 3. You just take that outside, keep only the term which is having s inside, okay? This is going to be what now? 1 by 3 into, in L inverse of this will be what? E power minus t plus 8 by 3 into L inverse of e power minus 2t, e power 1 by s minus 2 you are having. So here should be e power plus 2t. That's all. It should be e power plus 2t. So this is the final answer. Okay. Because of this term s plus 1 we got minus here. Because of this s minus 2 we are going to have plus here. That's all. This is only the final answer.